What's going on, everyone? Today is day number 1 of Blizzard Bash. We're in the compact inspection lineup. Gonna give a quick little prelude video of the compact cars that are lined up. It's not a whole lot of them, there's a few of them, but I'm gonna show you what they look like. Some pretty nice ones here. Gonna be a couple of videos of them. These are all the compact teams getting inspected right now. Quite a few of them. Interesting builds. Tough builds. Like I say, I'm going to do quite a few videos this first day. So when I post them up, they're going to be all over. Nice car.
Thank you.
How many years you been doing this? Then you've been doing the compact
I've
teams?
been running compacts for 10 years. This will be the first time here, though.
Oh, first time? Well, these guys are wicked. It's a fun show to watch.
I've been coming here watching for 6 years.
Have you?
So.
This is our 4th year. Never gets old. It just keeps getting better, man. The atmosphere out here is just unbelievable.
It is.
Absolutely unbelievable. Well, good luck, man.
Thank you.
Hey, the car looks good. Your car looks good.
Needs a little work still, but
yeah. Hey, got time, right?
Right. That was the big thing. I just wanted to get through tack.
Yeah.
Like we got to change the whole front end out almost.
Oh, do ya?
So,
the whole rack and pinion?
No, my struts are wrong.
Oh yeah.
So to run the tires I have, I got to put different struts in it with different CV axles.
Oh.
It's gonna be a fun chore.
Yeah. Well, good luck anyway, alright? We're gonna go around this way. Whew, look at that front bumper on that. Oh, we got a big car here. Yeah, there's some nasty compacts. Cars to watch out there. Things keep going and going and going. Look at that shot up in there. Wow. Little Lumina. Out of the compact team compact lineup in the inspection line. Pretty interesting builds. Stay tuned for a few other videos from Blizzard Bash 2022 here in Topeka, Kansas.